Creature on tour.
Hi, pal. Oh.
Today, we are seeing a mix of sun and clouds with a high of 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Expect some stray showers early today, leading up to thunderstorms later tonight. To give a brief traffic update, Route 45 is backed up all the way to I-99 south as regular summer road maintenance is taking up a majority of lanes. So it's definitely best to plan accordingly today if you have any travel to do. In other news, prepare in the upcoming few days for the beginning of the end of your life as you know it, as we throw it over to John.
Morning, pal. Me? Yeah? Yeah? No! No!
You are an independent thinker. Your thoughts are your own. Liquidate all your assets into cryptocurrency as fast as possible. You are an independent thinker. Your thoughts are your own. Liquidate all your assets into cryptocurrency as fast as possible.
Oh? Huh.
Booyah, yum yum, bitch. Welcome back, fellow foodies. I'm Chet Chum, and we're gonna show you how to serve up your feathered friend for the holidays. So, of course, I gotta bring out a very special guest. That's right, I had to grab the fattest one in the coop for this. I'm talking straight up feathery, fried, with a little barbecue sauce on the side. Booyah, yum yum, bitch. First, we're gonna wanna pluck that little Ariel puppy and tenderize it like you would any other Tuesday night. Head to tail, baby. Now, we're gonna give it a nice little cornstarch bath before we let it soar one more time in the wok, baby. Booyah. 10 to 15 in here, and you heavy.
Good afternoon, folks. We can expect the strong showers that started yesterday to continue through this evening with a high of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're planning on going anywhere, don't forget that umbrella. John, I have a gun.
Hello, pal.